First of all, you have to remove the battery cover and the battery. Then you have to unscrew these 5 screws. Now what you want to do is get something very sharp and get here between this plastic and the frame of the phone, because here are 2 extra screws to unscrew. So now that you got all the screws off the phone, what you want to do is just take the bezel out. It's coming very simple. Now you want to unglue the power button from here. Be very careful with these ones and the camera button, because you don't want to break the ribbon cable. So now what you want to do is disconnect the audio jack, the SIM card holder, and the LCD over here. So when you open it up, open it from the left side to the right side in order not to damage this memory card holders. Disconnect the ribbon cable, and there you have it. If you want to change the touchscreen, you will have to get with your pick inside here. I recommend to heat it up a bit so it's coming easier out, and that's it. I hope you enjoy it.